Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kree, and on my channel I do hair and makeup. So if you like what you see, then don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I know people always forget to like because I'm the same, I forget. So please do, if you do like what you see, do like. In this video I'm going to be talking you through how I do a frontal ponytail, but I'm going to do the bubble method. I've started her hair off as a fresh canvas, meaning she just washed her hair. Her hair is like half permed and half natural. You guys already know I don't really like to put heat in hair and stuff, so I'm not gonna bother straightening her hair. I don't feel like it needs to. And when you put gummy on natural hair that has nothing in it, it literally slicks it slick anyway. It's going underneath the frontal, so it doesn't even need to be that slick on the top, but on the back it needs to be slick, you know what I mean? So it matches the hair. So I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol and I'm just going to clean off any oils and makeup that is on the front of her head, because if you do put glue on top of that, it will lift after a couple of days, if not straight away. So make sure that you clean off your canvas first. I like using the word canvas today, I don't even know why. But yeah, so I'm going to put glue on the front of her head and I'm going to spread it out. I'm doing 2 layers, so I've got to wait for this to dry and then do another layer and put the frontal on.
New ice in the clothes, new match in the rose, new business, new game, stay up in the light. New ice in the clothes, new match in the rose, new business, new game, stay up in the light. New ice in the clothes, new match in the rose, new business, new game, stay up in the light. New ice in the clothes.
Okay, so the frontal that we're using today is a frontal that has been used before. You can reuse your frontals. So this frontal's already plucked, it's already got baby hairs, so I don't really need to do much to it. I'm gonna tie it down and I'm gonna leave it for a while. I know it looks like I'm not leaving it for a while because I'm about to take it off, but you actually have to leave it for a while to dry, so then you could be able to put foam on it. You can be able to go swimming, like get it. You have to leave it for a while basically. So what I'm going to be doing now is putting gel. I'm using the Got To Be Glue gel and I'm going to slick down either side. I don't know why, but I just like using gel on frontals. I mean, some people don't, but it really does hold things into place. Not like a gel that's going to be like really, really hard, because I don't feel like this is really, really hard or dries really, really hard. But you see the way when you swoop it, it just stays in place, because obviously you can't use gummy on a frontal. So I use a gel. It doesn't matter what gel it is, whether it holds much or it doesn't hold much, I just use a gel.
We got flow, so we gotta let them know. New ice in the clothes, new match in the rose, new business, new game, stay up in the light. New ice in the clothes, new match in the rose, new business, new game, stay up in the light. New ice in the clothes, new match in the rose, new business, new game, stay up in the light. New ice in the clothes, new match in the rose, new business, new game, stay up in the light. Let's let it go with the city, let it go. We got rhythm, we got flow, so we gotta let them know. Let's let it go with the city, let it go. We got rhythm, we got flow, so we gotta let them know.
So after this, I put a head tie on her head, and then this was the outcome. Yeah, you can see where the head tie was on her head, where it was tied down, but it's okay because you can hot comb that right out, or you can put some foam on her hair, or even some gel. And then I started to do the ponytail and I sewed on the back. This is on another video. I'm gonna link another video down below where you can see how I do my ponytails and like sew it on. So I'm just gonna speed this up because I've already done a video on this.
New ice in the clothes, new match in the rose, new business, new game, stay up in the light. New ice in the clothes, new match in the rose, new business, new game, stay up in the light. New ice in the clothes, new.
Okay, it's time to do the wrap now. This is like one of my favorite parts of doing a ponytail. Like, I just love the ending of this. Oh, I actually love doing this part. Anyway, so basically what I do with this, I just clip the ponytail out the way and I take a piece of the hair from like underneath the ponytail and then I comb it out, and you're gonna need either a gel or like a wax, it doesn't really matter what, and some like spray. Got To Be spray would be the best spray. What's the spray called? Holding spray. It just needs to be a holding spray basically. And then you put the gel or the wax onto the hair, comb it through to make sure it's smooth, but it's kind of like in a flat, I'm holding it flat. I don't even know how to explain what I'm trying to say, but it's flat. Can you see how it's flat in my hand? Comb it through and rub it through all the way to the ends, and you're basically going to get that and you're going to wrap it around the hair, but you're going to do it gradually. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do. When you're wrapping it, you kind of want to pull with a little bit of tension just so it's not loose, and you spray and wrap until there's nothing left.
New business, new game, stay up in your lane. New house and new clothes, new match and new rose. New business, new game, stay up in your lane. New house and new clothes, new match and new rose. New business, new game, stay up in your lane. Let's let it go with the city, let it go. We got rhythm, we got flow, so we gotta let them know. Let's let it go with the city, let it go. We got rhythm, we got flow, so we gotta let them know.
Okay, so now it's time to put the rubber bands on. I tried at first to put one rubber band on and it didn't work because the ponytail was so full. So then I had to get 2 rubber bands and put them together, and I double looped it because it was just a bit too, it didn't give me the outcome that I wanted it to have, so I had to double do it. And then I'm basically gonna like push it up a little bit and then spread out the hair in between.
New house and new clothes, new match and new rose. New business, new game, stay up in your lane. New house and new clothes, new match and new rose. New business, new game, stay up in your lane.
Once you've puffed out the hair, you can see that the hair below is kind of like gone a bit fuzzy. So you have to like run your fingers through it or comb through it to make sure that it's like back to like a blank canvas. There you go, canvas again. But yeah, you have to comb through it basically. And then I'm going to continue with the rest of the hairbands. Some people are probably thinking to themselves, why is she not straightening the hair? Does the hair not need to be straightened before she does this? But no, if I could, I would have done this with curly hair, but I didn't have any curly hair to hand. So I like the thickness that this hair, like the state that this hair was in, because it allowed the hair to be a little bit more puffy in the little bubbles. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So you don't need to straighten the hair before you do this.
New business, new game, stay up in your lane. New house and new clothes, new match and new rose. New business, new game, stay up in your lane. New house and new clothes, new match and new rose. New business, new game, stay up in your lane. New house and new clothes, new match and new rose. New business, new game, stay up in your lane. Let's let it go with the city, let it go. We got rhythm, we got flow, so we gotta let them know. Let's let it go with the city, let it go. We got rhythm, we got flow, so we gotta let them know.
Okay, if you're still here, you definitely like the video. So just go and like the video before you exit, because you know you want to. But yeah, I'm almost finished now anyway. So do it. Do it now.
Let's let it go, whip it, set it, let it go. We got rhythm, we got flow, so we gotta let them know. Let's let it go, whip it, set it.
Make sure you guys are subscribed so you know when the next video is coming out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.
Close, new match and new roles, new business, new games. Stay up in the